Now the market is very flat here, and it gave us here like a flag here. Look at it. You see it or no? It's a flag here. That's the flag. Till now me, I'm still waiting. Where is going to be hitting that flag? Here to break here. That's when the market will continue it upward or to fall down. That's when the market is going to fall down more. So till now I'm still waiting. Another thing very important, let me show it to you, is that one here. Our indicator, it started entering here to oversold area. So technically also we need to look in for buy, but me personally I'm still thinking there is more falling down, at least to that level here or the peak in the top. Let me show it to you exactly where me I'm thinking is going to fall down. Me personally I'm thinking is going to fall down till that level here, that one here, because that level here where we got the 200 moving average, and after that we're going to see if we are going to go back up. Till now the market is still showing to us lower low, as you see it, low,